Good morning, my dear students. My name is Palaj Viswas, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Kolani. And today is my lecture number 13. And previous classes already discussed the attachment of forklift trucks. And today we can discuss the industrial truck. And basically, the industrial truck is used to this materials handling equipment as a materials handling equipment. And there is the mass more essential to use to this the industrial trucks. And basically, these industrial trucks will be used to this the handling of the materials to this the output product as like as when the raw materials will be comes from this different place to your this industry and in the output product also will be transferred to this the different places that like or the customers as well as the dealers, sub dealer, retailers, and the all places you have to transfer by using to these are industrial trucks, industrial trucks or the industrial tractors. And during to this the industrial tractors and a few outlines also will be concentrated. This is the tractor, industrial tractors, and also the trailers. And what is the tractor also will be concentrated. The tractor is a vehicle having its own source of moving parts. Moving parts also will be the power, and moving parts is used to the as a prime mover to haul. That is will be concentrated according to this the our tractor is the basically this will be used as a or the agriculture the works also this will be tractor is concentrated according to the digging to this soil, but this tractor engines also will be concentrated as like the on trolley will be mounted, and also this tractor will be concentrated according to as a vehicles, and this one source also the motive parts also will be here the use as the prime mover to haul, that is the give motions to another or the group of another vehicles which do not have their own motions powers also will be here. And the such as tailors, the semi tailors, the transfers cars also will be concentrated according to this the tractors. The tractor are used is the in a wide field of activities, and this is the tractors will be concentrated to according to this the wide field of activities. And these tractors will be concentrated which is the starting from the agriculture to its moving, and basically the municipal waste also will be transferred during to the or the tractor, and basically the tractor will be the least cost the equipment, the least cost vehicles will be concentrated because of the this tractor is a multiple way you have to all done this job. And during to this the agriculture works will be fully satisfied during to this the digging times or the tractor will be work as a the agriculture activities also will be here. And another times these engines also will be concentrated according to this the transfer of municipal waste and the transfer of the different the small scale industry, and also that those places the knot will be movement to this the another the type of equipment very easily, then your the tractors will be movement very easily because the this wheel will be the this wheel designed is the proper way, and during to this the any places these tractors will be go. What is the tractors is concentrated according to this the of the multiple job also will be done, and these tractors will be that the wide field activities also will be concentrated, and which because of the starting from the agriculture to art moving, and the art moving also will be we can see the during to this the art too will be movement from this the one place to this the another place, and this places that we can concentrate according to or this the tractors. And another things also will be here that during to this the waste handlings, the municipal waste handlings, and the municipal waste the this is the very much easily this will be handled because the any places that this wheels can be go, the these wheels will be designed that this is the disturbing environment and the disturbing places that you can go through these vehicles just like the tractors, and for this the municipal waste, and as like as the different the rural waste also will be transferred during to the tractors. And also the handling the waste handling and another things the construction construction and industries. And sometimes we have to see the rubbish type of materials will be transferred during to the or this the tractors. And few places the new construction also will be there, and then you have to record the some dust particles will be movement from this the one place to the another place. Then also you have to concentrate to this or the tractors. And sometimes we have to see the industries, and the industries the heavy loaded materials also will be transferred during to the or the tractors. And another is the tractors may be fitted with different attachments to do different jobs like the sewing, side work also will be the, yeah, the plow, snow, and the excavate ground scoops, and the loading bulldozer. So bulldozing also will be the concentrate according to this the attachment. And basically the we can see the sometimes we have to the filling this earth, and the filling this the few times when the construction also will be done. And then you have to transfer the different type of sand. And basically the white sand also will be transferred, and or the river sand, this will be transferred from the filling this the industry construction area. And then this tractors will be the very much easily transfer the river sand. And also the this will be fully the uploaded, and there is the no extra labor will be required when you have to transfer or the unloading your this materials. And this will be the very much advantage because of there is the no unloading unloading persons also will be required. And during to the benefit of this that the wheel will be go through this will be the lower portions, and another the different the disturbing places also will be go to according to your this the wheel design. And then this wheel will be go, and also these materials also will be the fully uploaded. There is the no extra labor cost also will be required when you have to the uploaded or the unloading on your materials according to your the requirement. And sometimes we can see during to your the bricks industry, and some places we have to require the transfer to this the clay. And the clay and the mud also will be transferred from this the one place to the another place. And then you have to concentrate to this tractor, and the tractor will be very easily go to the land. And also there is the no hazardous environment will be created. Sometimes the lower and upper environment, lower and upper landing also will be there. And this places the these tractors will be very much easily movement. And for this these places the mud will be transferred from the bricks industries. And also the sometimes we can see that these bricks also will be transferred from the one place to the another place during to this the tractors. And during to this the loading and unloading persons purpose, the different attachments also will be concentrate the sweeping and the sidewalks and the plowed snow. And this will be concentrate according to this the ground scoops, and the loading ball, and also the bulldozing also will be accept and concentrate according to this the this will be the attachment will be the tractors. And another will be the industrial tractors. And the industrial tractors are generally grouped into the wheel types, the which are primarily used for the basically the movement of one or more trailers. The one or more trailers also will be there for interplants, or the interplant transportations also will be here. And also the crawler types, who is the are most used and the outdoor and the storage yard service, and the slow speed and for the short haul also will be here. The industrial tractors are generally the used to this the movement of materials, and the movement of materials inside of this the industry. And sometimes we have to concentrate from this the outside to this the materials is transferred to this the industry. Then this will be used to this the tract. And that these industrial tracks also will be concentrated. And but not will be the industrial tractors. And these industrial tractors will be the transfer materials the inside of this inside of the industry. And during to this one this is the not the heavy long distance will be transferred this materials, because this is the speed is low during to from this the truck to this the tractors. And for this will be concentrate according to your this small scale industry. And also you have to transfer your materials according to this the group into the wheel, which is the are the primarily used for movement of one or more trailers. Also will be concentrate according to this the transfer of materials from this the one place to the another place. For interplanet also will be used, or the interplant transportations also will be concentration according to this our industrial tractors. And during to this the interplant transportations, the your materials will movement is the very much easily, and the crawlers types which are mostly used in outdoor, and the basically is used in the outdoor, and the storage air service are slow speeds also will be there, and the for the short hauls, and the basically this will be the short hauls for the this will be transfer of materials from the short distance, and the not will be the long distance. Because of long distance you have to require to this the high speed of equipments also will be concentrated according to this the industrial trucks, and this is the this high heavy weighted materials will be transferred, and also the heavy loaded particles will be transferred, and also the much more the bulk type of materials can be transferred by the trucks, but the industrial tractors will be transferred to this the short distance, and also this is the less weight, and the not will be the bulky type of materials will be transferred during to this the industrial tractor. But the mud and also the difficult environment, and there is the not will be movement to this the industry, the track will be not go properly, but your the industrial tracks will be properly go to during to this the short haul, and the storage air service slow the speeds, and also according to this the shorters also this will be movement here the very easily. The most important specification of a tractors is the drop bar pull ratings, and according to this the bar pull rating this will be the very much essential, and this will be transfer your materials. The most important specification of the tractor is it's the drop bar pull ratings. The according to these ratings they are classified as a small, and the basically the 100 kg of normal to 500 kg you have to transfer to according to this the tractors draw bar pull ratings also will be here, and this will be that small is concentrated according to this the 100 kg to the 500 kg, and this will be the as a small, and the medium is concentrated according to the 250 kg normal to 750 kg will be concentrated, and the large is the 1 tons to 5 tons to the maximum will be concentrated. And another things will be here, the according to this the lorry, and this will be transferred to this the materials according to this the 27 tons is the very easily it will be transferred. This is the very much difference from this the 1 ton to this the 27 tons, and the 5 tons to the 27 tons, and the for this the this will be not the bulky type of materials will be transferred from this the one place to the another place, and this is the basically the short distance, and also the small weight or the type of materials will be transferred from this the one place to the another place, and the extra large will be concentrated. The extra large this will be up to the 35 tons will be concentrated according to this the extra large, and this will be equal to as like a truck, and will be because this will be the extra large will be tractors, and this is the high cost capacity also will be there, and the other specification are physical dimensions, weight, horsepower, the number of wheels drives from front or rear wheel steer, OKR or the radar type etc. also will be the concentrated, and basically the specification are the physical dimensions that like the weight, and the weight of also will be the another type of the concentration will be given. This is the which type of weight you have to mention, and the horsepower, and the horsepower basically this horsepower will be required to the working on this the tractor, the which horsepower will be concentrated according to this the this will be a working condition, and the number of wheels, the 4 wheels or the 6 wheels, it will be concentrated according to this the number of wheels you have to drive during to this the movement from this the one place to this the another place, and the front or rear wheels, and this will be concentrated. The which one is the front wheels, and the which one will be the rear wheel steerings also is there. The front wheels is the whose thickness, and what is the diameter, what is the radius will be concentrated, and also the which is the thickness, and this will be concentrated according to this the front or rear wheels, and the steering walkers also will be there is required to this the specification, and also the rider types is the also concentrated according to this the your the specifications. And the another things is that this the small and medium tractor are often the battery operated and basically the small and medium, this will be the medium. Small and medium is concentrated according to the 100 kg to the 500 kg and the 250 kg to the 750 kg. The weight will be transferred. This is the small and medium tractor has often battery operated walkie types also is the concentrate according to this type of tractor. That is the this will be operated by this the battery operated, and also the walkie type also will be here. However, an electronically guided types of tractor requires no operators, and this will be the recently produced the an electronically guided types, and the electronically guided types of tractors requires the no operator. There is the no operator also will be concentrated to operate these tractors, and only this will be the auto type of operator. This is the no operator will be concentrated the auto, and this will be transfer the automatically. There is the no person also will be concentrated to this. The guided by this the tractor requires no operator which flows the white line painted or white embedded in the floor, and basically that this will be required to this the white line painted, and the knot will be the another white line painted also will be concentrated according to this the white line painted. This will be movement, the knot will be required to this the another movement, or the knot will be required to this the operator, and the knot will be required to this the person who have to move this tractor, or basically this will be required to this the white line painted or the wire embedded in the floor, and either this tractor cannot be moved from this the one place to this another place. These are used for point to point pickup, and basically this one used to this the for the point to point pickup and delivery of trailers, and also will be required the use for this the point to point pickup, and that means that like a pick and place robots, and this is the one point, and this on concentrate to this the another point for this is the concentrate this the point to point pickup and delivery of trailers, and this will be the that like a pick and place robot. This will be concentrate to the point to point and also delivery to a delivery of trailers. This may be programmed for automatic decoupling, and also the given a program may be programmed for automatic decouplings of trailers and give signal of arrival of two ends, and obviously that this will be given a program, and for automatic decouplings of trailers and give signal of arrival. Basically the given a signal, and this like a on sensor will be coupling, and during to this sensor, and also this will be concentrated according to this the pick and place, and you have to the decoupling also will be programming will be there, and the automatic decouplings, and also this will be peak, and also this will be the given to the trailers and gives the signal, and the fourth will be the arrival of the at the two ends, and after this will be arrival, and also this will be given a signal, and this signal will be sensed by using to this the controller, and again this will be end on the and at the two ends, and the large and the extra large tractors are powered by an internal combustion engine. That means by this the IC engine, and the large and extra large, and this will be tractors are powered by an internal combustion engine fueled by diesel or gas are essentially the rider types, and we are always known the which type of the by using to this the internal combustion engine, and also that like we have to given some fuel that like the diesel and the gas or this essential rider types of fuel we have to given, and also this will be concentrated by manually, and there is the no automatical systems also will be there, and this will be controlled by the operator, and this will be given the tractors powered by the internal combustion engine fueled by the diesel or gas are the essentially rider types, and a two-wheel tractors depends on working in conjunction with the attachment or load carrier for balance. And basically the two-wheel tractors will be concentrated. This will be required to this the balancing, and either the this knot will be movement from this the one place to this the another place properly. For this, the two-wheel tractor depends on the working in conjunction with the attachment, and the one attachment is the essential, and this is called the or load carrier or for balance, and either the load carriers the wheels tractors cannot be balanced, and this not balance. For this, this is the not the movement your materials properly, and also not will be the load carrying properly, and according to your the load carrying capacity, and also the two-wheel tractors depends on the working conjunctions with the attachment or load carrier for balance also will be concentrated. And another thing is there, the steering of this tractor is done by pivoting about one of the two wheels, thereby resulting in very small turning radius. That is the high maneuverability of these tractors also will be concentrated. According to this, the steering of this tractor is done by pivoting about one of two wheels will be concentrated, thus thereby resulting in very small turning radius will be here. And this small radius is concentrated according to, that is the high manu variability of these tractors. This will be concentrated according to this the movement of from this the one place to this the another place. And another things will be there, a coupler is secured to the rear of the tractors, and this coupler this will be secured to the rear of the tractors, and body for quick coupling, and the body for this quick coupling, and the uncoupling of the tractors transfers cars, and a coupler this will be the secured to the rear of the tractor, body for quick the coupling and the uncoupling on of the tractors, and also the transfer these cars also will be concentrated according to this one, and the tractors are prepared over the forklift trucks where large volume of materials of different type of loads which can be carried on. Specifically the design tailors need to be handled, and basically these tractors are the prepared over forklift trucks when the large volume, and the large volume also will be concentrated according to this the prepared over to this the forklift trucks will be concentrated to this the volume of materials of different type of loads. A different type of loads will be concentrated which can be carried on a specially designed design tailors also will be required to the need to be handled to this the movement of materials from this the one place to the another place, and this will be concentrated, and this will be seen to this the typical frame tractors also will be here, and you can see that this is the front wheel is the smaller, and the back wheel also will be the larger, and also this front wheel and also this is the larger wheel, that this is the one advantage also will be here, that during to this the any places and any hazardous environment, and suppose the during to this the one place is the grass will be very high, the long length grass also will be concentrated, but these places this type of tractors can be go during to this the design of this the back wheels, and because of this back wheel is the larger and the front wheel is the smaller. For during to this type of design, this typical type of tractors can be movement from this the according to your requirements. The any places this will be movement to very easily. For another things will be here. You can see that this type of tractors and the one bucket will be required to joint to this the back side of this engine, and also you have to very easily transfer materials according to your movement and according to your estimates. And another things we can see in our the rural area, and on a group more than 5 or 6 persons, and there is not the very rich persons, and this is the poor person also will be there, and this is the labor classes person also will be here, and these 5 or 6 persons may be creating a group, and during to these groups, and this will be given this money, and max to max 50,000 is, and also this will be buy this type of tractors, and also this will be used to this agriculture purpose during to this the agriculture during to the cultivation times, and another times these six persons also will be work during to these or these tractors, and the behind of these tractors you have to mounted on a bucket, and again this one will be cut transfer this materials movement from this the very easily, and also the these six persons will be go to this the family is earning is the very high, the nearly 15 to 20,000 or the 30,000 per month can be earned during to this system will be used, and the this is the, and also you have to transfer work some this the transfer of materials from this the in arena. This will be can be done by the typical type of in tractors will be used during to this one, and the trailers. The trailers are load bearings where wheeled vehicles or car without any motive power also will be concentrated according to this the trailers, and the during to this the trailers, and this will be basically required to this the transfer of materials, and the wheel vehicles also will be concentrated according or cars without any motive power. There is the no powers also will be concentrated according to this one. This is the any motive power also will be here, and the design to be drawn by a tractor or trucks also will be here. Basically that this trailer will be transfer materials from this bion during to this the motive powers, and also this will be designed but to be drawn by a tractors or trucks. The trailers are classified as semi trailer and the full trailers also will be considered. A semi trailers is a truck or trailers having one or more axle and the constructed so that a part of its weight is carried by the trucks tractors also will be here, and the another things will be here to this the full trailers. A full trailer is constructed to carry almost all its the weight on its own wheels. Number of axles may be on or more. The tractors have to give only the pulling force for its motions. More than one trailers may be pulled at a time by tractors when it is the called as a tractor trailers. Train also will be concentrated according to this the full trailers, and the full trailers basically the constructed to carry almost all its weight on its own wheels. Number of axles the may be one or more. The tractor has to give only the pulling force, not will be the pushing force will be given, the only the pulling force for its motion, and this will be movement, and regarding to this the pulling force, and more than one trailers may be pulled at a time by a tractor, and this will be required to this one trailers may be pulled at a time by a tractors when it is called as a tractor trailers train. The trailers can be of different shapes and size, and this may be the different shape and size. You can see the use of the tractor with the different trailers also will be here. This one is the first one is on, and is the different type of tractors also will be here, and the second one, third one, you can see the fourth one also will be the larger, and this one also will be concentrated to this the fifth one. This is the another larger size, and this is the single axle box type of trailer also will be here, and another things also will be the this is the more than one trailers may be pulled at a time will be concentrated by a tractor when it is called as a tractor trailer train, and the more than trailers this will be concentrated as a tractor trailer train also will be concentrated because of the train that's like the more than one trailer will be mounted during to the job, and the trailers can be a bit different shape and size. You can see the these types, and another thing the this is the larger types of trailers also will be, and the tractor pulling trailer trains also you can see that this type of trailer trains also will be concentrated the different the bulky type of materials also will be transferred from this the one place to this the another place. And the another things also will be here, the during to this the log, during to the wooden log also will be transfer during to this the super long distance by using to this the trailer trains. And the during to this the trailer trains you have to very much easily according to this the on a single time and the single movement from the one place to this the another place. And the bulky type of materials will be movement from this the one station to the another station. And that like the different type of log and the different type of the industrial materials that likes or the rod, barrel, sheet metals, and the all things we have to transfer during to this tractor pulling trade. And also the trailer trains also will be used according to your the movement of areas during the this will be concentrated according to this the long train chain. And also the this is the tractor pulling the trailer train also will be concentrated. And another things you can see the this one is the curst courtesy and the Godrej a Bicon MFG company limited Mumbai. And the heavy diesel forklift trucks also will be concentrated. And these forklift trucks we have to movement to this the materials from when we have to concentrate according to this the bulky type of materials during to this the fountain to fork also will be here. And this will be given. And also the this is the concentrate according to this the movement of materials from the one place to the another place. And also soft floor concentration also will be there. And this is the another is the forklift trucks also will be considered. And some a few MCQ question is available according to our this the chapter is ending. And during to this the MCQ question what is the forklift truck is used for. And basically this one is the lifting and lowering and the vertical transportation, lifting, lowering, and vertical transportation, move, lift, and right direction. Which one is the correct answer? Basically, the we have to concentrate according to this. The forklift truck is used for lifting, lowering, and vertical transportation. Also, will be concentrate. And another things is there. What is the wheel is used for the lifting and lowering, vertical transportation, and both A and B and none of this above. And the which one will be concentrate according to this the lifting and lowering will be concentrate. And the next classes we have to concentrate according to this our belt conveyors. And thank you my dear students.